Hi guys! Good morning! This is the last year Halloween, guys. That's my chick. He's wearing Superman, and that's Jay-Z. He's wearing his Spider-Man.
My passenger
That's his
is
idol,
Spider-Man
guys.
and
Spider-Man.
Superman.
And Kuya Jessie has the Batman. There you are! Ang beautiful nga dito, guys. Tingnan mo naman, guys. At ngayon, malapit na rin yung 2024 Halloween, guys. Kaya mag-costume na naman yun sila. Ina-output lang to, guys, para makita natin, guys. At may record ako sa aking YouTube and Facebook sa mga ginagawa ng aking mga baby.
Are you tired?
Ayan, guys, pagod na pagod yan sila, guys. Kasi pumunta kami ng mall. At nag-ikot kami doon at naghingi kami ng trigger treats, candies, and chocolates for babies. Ayan, guys, ang saya-saya nila, guys. At doon nga kami nag-enjoy. Enjoy na enjoy ang aking mga kids. Sana po ay tingnan nyo ang aming YouTube and Reels, guys, and Facebook. Please support us, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you. And that's my Jay-Z, and this is Kuya the Batman. My handsome Kuya Jessie. Ayan, guys. Minsan lang tayo maging bata, guys. Kaya enjoy natin sila, guys, habang sila ay bata pa, guys. Kasi pag malaki na, guys, hindi natin alam ang buhay. Pag malaki na, marami ng problemang kakaharapin. Kaya habang bata pa, ibigay natin sa kanila at iparamdam natin sa kanila ang kasiyahan sa pagiging bata. Thank you for watching. Bye!